unboxing my brand new book called Little Salt, Are You Ready to Go? We have it here. I'm super pumped up. I'm sure you are. We have plenty of paper here. Then we've got the invoice paper. You don't need that. But what we have here is Little Salt, Are You Ready to Go? Now, this book is all about a little salt shaker that wants to stay right where he's at. But his mom and dad are like, buddy, that's not what you're here for. And so he keeps trying to do things his own way, and eventually he learns that he's not here to please himself, but someone else. And as we know, that is the Lord. That's why we're here on earth. And this is a great story to teach kids that they are not here for themselves. They have been put here to please God. And in doing so, that is what makes them the most happy. And so you've got to come check out this book called Little Salt, Ready to Go. It starts off, it's got great, beautiful pictures. And his parents help teach him that we are here to please the chef. And he keeps making messes and having mistakes. But ultimately, at the very end, it says, God is working in you, giving you the desire and the power to do what pleases him. That's from Philippians 2:13. So what you can do is go onto Amazon, get on there.
There is a link in the description.
And then leave a review. If you do that, you're going to help bump up the sales. You're going to help encourage me. You're going to help the kids to get more and more opportunities to hear about the gospel. So go on Amazon right now and get Little Salt. Are you ready to go?